wherever you come. That's still ready?
Both your colleagues.
You don't know.
Me, I didn't do it.
You don't know.
Yes.
Is it a happy news or it is a sad news? Now I'm asking. Okay, no, happy.
I didn't knew.
I know that you like my lectures, huh? Hey, what was the last geography chapter I was teaching? We had completed, na? So we'll start atmosphere now. Usko complete bhi kar dete hai na? Then because in other branch I've started with atmosphere.
Not completed.
I know. I am going to कुछ नया दिन के लिए नया heading डाला है. Anybody have a volume? क्या राम बोले से बैठा है? What happened? Not well. But before signing, you can pick up your volume. You won't sign the attendance, maybe you won't take up the volume. Oh, it's two kidder back. There is a bag. Don't give it. Don't give it. And where is that your Marathi man's friend? What's his name? ये कभी आती है इसका नाम क्या है?
अभी तो नहीं आती, पेपर से पहले आती है. पेपर उनके पास नहीं.
But very same. And where's your good friend? What's her name?
She is having some
eye infection.
Eye infection.
It's eye infection. इसका कभी इस्तेमाल होता है? Okay. Now tell me under.
Yeah.
We'll finish it off. Causes of ocean currents. Okay. Okay. So I'll explain using the volume. Correct? Everyone is having the volume. I'll also get my volume. Can you do me a small favor? I don't know if you will be. No problem, na? And ICSE
वो मैंने मैम को क्वेश्चन बता के वो
when I explain the hydrosphere, now we are not hydrosphere only, na?
Yes.
Under hydrosphere, I remember I have to explain you causes of salinity. Of what? Of what? Ocean currents. Of oceans. First of all, how many of you say that ocean waters are saline? Are they saline? Pakka? Nobody have tasted it.
Sea water. It is.
Sea water. It is. Both sea and ocean water both are saline. Okay. Now they are saying page number on. Page number 120. What is causes of salinity? First, the causes of ocean currents are level of salinity. Oh, it is not that causes of salinity. Yeah, na?
What is ocean?
You also didn't tell me what is this. Gaudi, na?
Yes.
No, मैंने कुछ गलत बोला. बोलो.
Gauri or Gauri?
But what's your actual name?
Gauri.
No, Gayatri.
No.
Okay. Now, if you remember, I said there are many ocean currents. Some are warm ocean currents, some are cold ocean currents. But actual ocean currents originates where? So differences in salinity. What is salinity? The level of salt present in ocean water. Every ocean has the salinity differ. Have you heard about Black Sea?
Yes.
Have you heard about Dead Sea?
Yes.
Have you heard about Red Sea?
No.
Have you heard about Indian Oceans?
Yes.
Have you heard about Atlantic Ocean? Have you heard about Pacific Ocean?
Yes.
Have you heard about mid-Atlantic Pacific Oceans? तो ये सब क्या है? Waters, it is there. Waters which are generally saline, but every ocean waters are not the same level of salinity. Let's understand the first one. The first one, higher the level of salinity of ocean water, underline the denser. Underline higher level of salinity, underline the word denser. Second line, Mediterranean Sea, underline more saline than Atlantic Ocean. Then come down to temperature. Oceans near, underline tropic and equator. Equator, everyone knows how much degree?
0.
What is tropics?
Above.
Very good. How much it is?
23, 66, 23. It's 20.5. That is the temperance resource.
23.5 degree towards the north, Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree towards the south, it is Tropic of Capricorn. Both are tropics. Correct? Cherry. Underline. Equator are much warmer. Then ocean water in the polar are temperate regions. Second point, therefore, underline. Equatorial water move towards poles. Then you write cold ocean currents move towards equator. Earth's rotation. This I was asking my other 9th batch. Earth rotates from east to west or west to east?
West to east.
Confirm, they are saying no sir, east to west, east to west. Agar east to west, agar Earth rotate karega, and sun is also rising from east to west, we can't see the sun. Can't you see the sun? Why?
East to west.
Gone.
Sun except there.
Tell it in English. Huh? You don't know? Then come on.
Yeah, I'm just imagining.
What is it?
Why?
You won't believe one of the girl I was teaching climate today. Not one, in fact, 2 girls presented how to read the bulletin for climate. And one girl I made her to shoot also the video. And that's going to be viral video in the in between, I was also stepping in, we shoot edit. I was shouting to the man. Why I'm saying, because they are so happy to attend my lectures. Are you also?
Yes.
Are you also?
Yes.
To show some level of happiness. Happiness either would be but lift yourself. Happy? देखो बच्चे कैसे रहते ये तो इतना पिंक हो जाती है मेरे lecture में seriously. So that shows that so much happiness comes through her. What is this? Cheeks. Cheeks. आंख से आंसू भी आ रहा है बच्ची का. वो दूसरे बात है कि खुशी क्या है? खुशी क्या है? ये तुम्हारा है. So we always believe ocean currents movement depends on several factors. The next factor is rotation. So always remember, if I'm drawing the earth like this, I say it moves from west to east. Correct, Anna? Aisa direction hai. Whereas the sun rises from east and goes in the west. That's why we could see the sun. If sun also comes like this, dono abhi dekho. You get up. Let us have a small presentation. She's very no videos. Please say. She's so worried about me. Afraid of me. Absolutely. So Gayatri is coming here. Come this side. So we are walking together. Come on, walk with me. I can see me. She cannot. But if I make her to come opposite, come on. Don't ask me. Come on. Can she see me now?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the direction of Earth and Sun. So we sun here. She is the sun. Right. Very good. Very. And who is the Earth? Man. So if we move in same direction, you cannot see the sun. But if it is moving in opposite direction, the Earth can see the sun and sun can also see the Earth. Sun Earth देख के कुछ फायदा है? कोई फायदा नहीं. But Earth sun को देखेगा तो फायदा है. What is that?
It's such a heat
Was it me?
energy like
Without sun, any life possible on Earth? Impossible. Okay. So that is what they say. Even the movement of the Earth also cause. Let's understand that. What is that? At the equator. Come on. The speed of the Earth is maximum. Now this also I am going to explain if you remember. Correct? So the Earth is like this, which is rotating on its axis. Which axis? North south axis. Is it tilted or is it straight? Tilted. How much degree tilted? 23.5, close to 23 degree. So now it is tilted, it is rotating like this, west to east. Are you seeing? And sun is coming from east to west. So we always believe this rotation is very fast here. Correct? And little bit fast here. And little bit fast here. And little bit slow here. Now, who can tell me the reason for this?
some force action.
What is that? Some force. Oh, what is that word? Centrifugal.
Suppose that
Like that. Go ahead.
object
If you catch a ball or any round object in your house and just try to press like this and try to rotate it. Correct? So it is one, it is tilted, another it has centrifugal forces. So it keeps rotating like this. Maybe in a video I'll show you. So normally we believe due to this rotation of the Earth might cause some pull. Is the oceans are also present over the Earth? Yes. So the currents also starts moving because of the rotation of the Earth from where to where? From west to east. Absolutely clear? So okay, let's move. So underline that word, move in a clockwise direction. And circle the word northern hemisphere. Second, and anti-clockwise, underline southern hemisphere. Example, Canary Current and Gulf Stream. Let us go to planetary winds. So what are planetary winds according to you? Or why they are called as planetary? Right. What are planetary winds? I say this is Earth's surface. Do you accept? This is Earth's surface. Do you accept? Right? Well, accept because generally it is the globe. There are several planes over the surface of the Earth, and several wind which is moving from one direction to the another. So when this wind is moving over the ocean, certain planetary winds are acting. Acting on which body? Land body or water body? Water body. If it is acting on water body, what will also move? The water will also move. So there are currents which are created beneath the oceans. So that is mainly due to the planetary action of the winds. So there are several planetary winds. Let us mark one slightly another. Underline trade winds. Underline equator to tropics. हो सब छोड़ो इक्वेटर हो सब देखिए underline warm eastern coast continents. Example, northeast trade winds, southeast trade winds. This is westerlies. Underline temperate latitudes results in northeasterly flow of water in the northern hemisphere and opposite in southern. अभी northeasterly flow in the northern. So southern easterly में कैसा रहेगा? Underline उधर नीचे लिखो south easterly flow. Southwestern actually. Example, westerlies, underline Gulf Stream and west wind drift. And let us go to the last one. Also, the strongest influence of prevailing winds is seen in underline North Indian Ocean. Then land mass obstructs the flow of water in ocean current. Underline the word land mass. MASS. For example, Cape Soa Rock. It's maybe in some part of Brazil. Then circulation pattern of ocean current. What is circulation pattern? If you look at this small picture, is the circulation pattern of both the ocean currents same? No. Why my size is so bad? Not slept. Okay. Shall I ask you to spill some water in car? क्यों? मैं तो खुद रहते थे। चलिए जाइए जाइए। She's very.
ये सच में नहीं था।
Yawning क्यों कर रहा है? मुझे पहला बहुत साल पहले एक बच्चा ने बोला, you know, when the brain no oxygen ना, we open the mouth.
Yes, yeah.
Just आराम से इसको इस बात फिर क्या करते हैं, ओपन करते रहेंगे तो फिर बहुत सारा ऑक्सीजन में मिलेगा। Put one small pencil in between. अच्छा, yawning का main cause, that is the scientific reason, but you look at a person and keep blowing your, what is that, CO2 ना? ये साइंस से नहीं पता है, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आपका साइंस आएगा तो बोलना पक्का ना, तो क्या बोले सर?
I mean, you yawn because your body thinks it has lack of oxygen, and that's why.
When the patient needs that oxygen tube in the mouth or a nose, I'll ask the patient to keep opening the mouth wide. Will do. Okay, I'll accept. You need oxygen? So next time if you need oxygen, don't. No, you can, free. Okay, circulation pattern. As a medium and bathroom, let's underline. Ocean currents are influenced by underline stresses exerted. Circular word winds and Coriolis force. On that day, I'm going to explain the word Coriolis. What is the meaning of the word Coriolis? She's saying Coriolis. What is
I think left in the northern winds move.
Northern hemisphere and south in the
opposite.
Opposite. So normally we say the the earth is rotating from west to east. So in the northern hemisphere, this is the wind movement, correct? In southern hemisphere, this is the wind movement. So when I'm saying a particular spherical object is rotating like this, correct? Winds. It is that hot equatorial region. So it is becoming warmer and it moves up. Correct? What a brilliant job. I forgot what was saying. Tremendous. Yeah. Starting में था क्या तुमने बनाया? New direction with the mouth only. Okay. So if this is the subject rotating, if any wind comes here, generally it needs to deflect here. But since it is rotating, instead of deflecting here, it might come back to that position. So normally, if this Coriolis force is not there, I might be explaining something called as Monsoons of India. You remember? With sea, Arabian Sea, Bob, and Indian Ocean. What is Indian Ocean? The big ocean. So the winds moves from here. इसको easterlies बोलते हैं, but India में west से enter करता है. और trade winds भी बोलते हैं इसको. Trade winds because it brings what? Monsoons to India. That is what I was explaining to my 9 cities. Shall we? Okay. The oceanic circular pattern underline corresponds to atmospheric circulation pattern. So the word is so slippery from my tongue. The air circulation. Better, Gayatri.
The air circulation of the oceans in the middle latitude is really
Underline mid latitude and under middle like a middle. As a circle that word anticyclonic. So what is that word cyclone and anticyclone? High pressure in the center. This is cyclone.
low pressure and
बोलेगा दोनों पिक्चर सेम ही तो है ना? So this is an anti-cyclone. Because my neighboring auntie is not happy. And है ना? Cyclone है ना? And this is cyclone. Okay, read ahead.
More pronounced in the southern hemisphere than in the northern hemisphere. The oceanic circulation patterns also correspond.
Suddenly our voice is becoming cold, equally voice. क्या हो गया? This is AC, I think, lot of trouble. Shall I? I'm asking, shall I?
In the circulation of air at higher altitudes where the wind flows is mostly cyclonic.
Underline high latitude, underline cyclone. मैं थोड़ा fast लेके जाता हूँ. Okay, in regions of pronounced monsoonal flow. ये बोलो. The pronunciation. Second line.
The region of pronounced monsoonal.
What is the word pronounced monsoonal flow? Very good. You write high. Pronounced as high. Due to Coriolis flows underline. Warm currents flow from low latitudes to the right and to the northern hemisphere underline. Left in southern. The cold waters of underline Arctic and Antarctic move towards warm water in tropical. She asked me now. So this cold wind currents tries to come towards the equator. Actually, ये पूरा picture मैंने नहीं बनाया. There are 4 bands that I put out. Okay, I'll make it to. Then Gulf Stream, underline Gulf Stream, northern extension.
We did Gulf Stream and the North Atlantic. Last class.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let us go to Labrador current. Hey, you want me to give notes on this chapter? Any of your school is not giving notes? There, Pakka. Okay. It is cold current underlining North Atlantic flows from. एक काम करो, जब भी अभी आप marking करेगा ना, look at. You have to, when you write the word flows from, make an arrow like this. अभी फिर कुछ जगह पर लिखा रहेगा takes a U-turn. And suddenly मुझे एक लड़का ने मुझे सर it stops. मैंने बोला एक सेकंड बना. You know what is this? एक सेकंड हमारा ट्रैफिक पुलिस का सिग्नल थांबा. है ना? Stop. Okay, let's move. It means its continuation underline West Greenland and Baffin Island. It means circle the word warm stream, Newfoundland, and Outer Banks in North Carolina or Carolina. I don't know how they are pronounced. A combination of these two currents underline heavy fogs and richest fishing ground. So what does this heavy fog means? She's looking at me on my credit. What is heavy fog? You know what is a fog? First of all, what is it? Fog. I don't know. Oh, perfume bhi aata na India mein? What is that ad? It's not quite.
We don't able to see it.
Correct. That is hazy, not fog. That is a haze. When there is a lower temperature, the upper air circulation becomes little bit dense. You know, dense. So whatever water vapor present, it tries to distance your vision. Humid. So normally you can see if you go on hill stations. Is it foggy or misty? It's called misty. Mist. But when you go to very cold places like Himachal, go ahead. Class Himachal. Even I haven't gone. Where? Nainital. So So fogs are generally more denser. So I don't know if your car or Papa is driving or any driver, they need a very strong fog light. Yeah, in the winter it does. Mahabaleshwar में early morning पर रहता है. ये बराबर Mahabaleshwar क्यों Delhi जाते हैं? Delhi is very smoke, and it is smoke plus fog. अभी हम लोग उसको smog बोलते हैं. Smog नहीं, फिर क्या डाल देते और कुछ. Smog. Say it again.
Smog.
How do I pronounce?
Smog.
Once again.
Smog.
Right, for that.
Smog.
That's the effort. Okay, it is okay. Then right in springs and early summer, current transport circular what are icebergs. Hey, what are icebergs? Icebergs. ये तुरंत इसको दिखेगा ना मैं नहीं था उस दिन icebergs नहीं आता टाइटैनिक अभी आइसबर्ग टाइटैनिक करते हैं In fact, I remember the name of the Titanic, name of the iceberg also. That was self. अरे बोलो तो सही क्या बोला हाँ
एक्सप्लेन करने नहीं हो रहा पर हाँ आइस का वो कुछ पानी के अंदर लैंड आइस
girls they can't explain geography huh? Correct, this is the ocean stretch correct ocean stretch hai kya hai wo kya hai? And the icebergs is like this. It's very heavy. हाँ normally जितना वो पानी के ऊपर दिखता है ना उससे भी डबल नीचे रहता है. And if it is a gloomy night, gloomy, no lights, no moon, nothing, then it is difficult to plot this. That is the mistake done by the Titan. Correct. And when they could locate that, they couldn't turn that big ship. They tried the level to turn, but only one edge of the Titanic has dashed, and it has ripped apart. And there are 7 chambers, in fact 7 or 18 chambers, I'm not very sure. And the ship engineer was so confident, अगर ये पानी भरेगा तो भी वो 18 chamber तक ही भरेगा और float होगा. And many people who died in that particular accident, they died because of the lowest temperature, -2, and the water was freezing cold. Imagine I want to jump and I want to swim, but jump करके 15 minutes में मर गया because of the temperature, severe cold. Okay, so never forget what? An iceberg, which is above the oceans. But जितना above the ocean दिखता है उसका deep उसका ground रहता है, and they are very dangerous. Okay, let's proceed. Okay. Then let us come to the last one. The waters of Labrador current. Underline cooling effect. And can I get but really have an underline significant effect on south of Cape Cod. In the south of Cape Cod, so suddenly south of Europe bhi aata hai. So you want me to give notes on Labrador current? Just check. Or is it given in your school?
Cape Cod.
Cape Cod. वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना Cape Cod. Cape Cod कब स्कूल लगा करके. In your school, did they give any notes on these headings? Oh my God. How about seriously, I'm पूछ रहा हूँ बच्चे diagram में. Yeah. How about others? You need confirm. Let us go to Kuroshio. Come on, everyone, say.
Kuroshio.
Come on, everyone.
Kuroshio.
What is current? She's asking me to it's right in front of you. Come on, say the full.
Kuroshio.
What is it? Is it a warm current or a cold current? आप लोग वही करना पक्का बच्चा ये क्या योगासन का कोर्स पक्का it is a strong underline western boundary current begins off underline east coast of Taiwan. How many anybody connect Taiwan today? Connect at least with your brain. Of late, China was terrorizing whom? Only. Did Taiwan react to it? Yes, Taiwan showed its strength. तू हमको छेड़ेगा, हम तुझे नहीं छोड़ेगा. That's our Hindi news channel. हमको छेड़ेगा, हम नहीं छोड़ेगा. So underline. It flows from Taiwan. Underline. East past of Japan. And merges. See what is the meaning about merges? It connects. Good. At least she's connecting us. Connects. Next. Merges into underline. Easterly drift. It is analogues of Gulf Stream. Underline analogues. What are analogues here? Continuation. Atlantic transporting circles around warm tropical water. Okay, what is tropical water? Where we have Tropic of Cancer, it is transporting to where? To the polar region, underlying polar region. It is also sometimes known as something that word black stream. If an MCQ comes, which current is known as black stream? Is it a warm current or a cold current? Warm current. Where it starts? Taiwan. Where it starts? And where it meets? Japan. And what is the other name of Kuroshio? Black stream. Very good. Yes, gone out of the scheme. English translation of Kuroshio and an allusion to the deep water of the Blue is also known as after the word Japan current. Its counterparts underline North Pacific, California, and North Equatorial. What is counterparts? इसके साथ जो चलता है, इसके साथ ये थोड़ा dry topic है, I understand, but try to be not so much dry. The warm waters underline sustains coral reefs. So what are coral reefs? Have you heard about coral reefs? What are coral?
Underwater.
They are plant-looking, but animals they are, and they keep moving. And what are reefs? It's the most common reef city island. It is Australia. It's very sad part of the northern coral reef in the world. The branch of the underlying Sea of Japan, circle. What is it? Tsushima current. Something that called Tsushima. आज है क्या अपना माँ को बोलना माँ मुझे तुझे एक नया नाम दे मुझे क्या सुशीमा तो वो क्या है एक नया वाटर करंट है किधर है वो जापान में it brings rich fisheries underline East China Sea. There is concentration circle uranium. How many can say what is uranium? What is that?
It's poisonous.
If the level increases, then only it is poisonous. And the seas, the fishes which are present will die. And uranium is a radioactive element, normally used in nuclear reactor. And how many types of uranium we use it for nuclear reactor?
ICSE.
Uranium-235 and uranium-238. What about nuclear reactor?
Yes.
What does it do?
Nuclear.
तुम लोग आंसर नहीं देते क्या? Wait. Answer, come on. It produces which energy?
Nuclear.
Do we have nuclear reactor in Bombay?
Yes.
Where it is? It is in Bombay. Have you heard about what is that company name? BARC. Bark बोलते हैं सब लोग. What is the full form of BARC? Baba Atomic Research Center. कभी गया है? कभी जाना? BRC में तो allowed है, but colony में allowed है, but that also not check.
Yes.
Because my entire studies and my entire childhood was in that area only. My dad was a BRC employee, and उसका एक side जैसा dome दिखाया रहेगा, where that uranium nuclear reactor is done. Okay. In fact, maybe time permits, I'll show you that. Then I will like Japan is responsible for mild weather around Alaska. And where is this Alaska? Parts of Canada and major parts of America. What is Alaska popular for? Severe cold winter. So which current warms it? The Japan current. Japan. Kuroshima here to remember the name. Now run through Kuroshima and tell me, is there any queries for you? Now run through technically and carefully. Absolutely. Shall we go ahead? Okay. And this, how do you pronounce? This is Oya Shio. Come on. Oya Shio current. Which current? Okay. Underline, it's a cold subarctic. If it is arcing north or south, okay. What is Atlantic then? South. Underline flows, that flows south and circulates, underline counterclockwise. Counter के नीचे लिखो anti-clockwise. It collides with circle Kuroshio. The water of Kuroshio underline originates in Arctic Ocean and flows underline Bering Sea. The current has an important impact mainly in Skamachka and Chukotka. ये बताने जापान का नाम है या रशियन नाम हमारे मूव्स तो बाहर ही काम चटका and इसको क्या प्रोनाउंस करेंगे absolutely Marathi then waters of underline Oyashio richest fishing ground extremely high nutrient content. What is nutrient content? Nutrients for who? Nutrients for who? Fishes. That's why. Have you heard about something called as planktons? Planktons. Small. Not fish. It's more like plants only on which the fish eats. Correct. Fishing rod में थ्रू लगाएगा नीचे ocean में जाके कौन लगाएगा? Okay, the waters of the Oyashio probably underline certainly richest fishing ground.
This point is done.
I got some Hindi using words.
Then I said obliquely.
You don't use that words.
Go. I didn't see the
word. That's the start of the family member name. नहीं मतलब अभी इस वर्ड का स्टार्ट करता है ऐसे भी मैंने आज कुछ सुने लड़कियों को बहुत वो होता है क्या अरे ओएशियो कर look at me ओएशियो you say kuroshi it's like I make my student to learn the topic if I say oeshio you look at me and say and when I say oeshio अरे उसको बोला ना भाई These are no. Mid-Atlantic drift, है ना? चलिए, let's move on. It causes Vladivostok. Hey, where is this Vladivostok place? It's in Russia, which is the largest railway network. Russian. And what is that network known as? Vladivostok Trans-Siberian Railway Network. Which was the name of the Okay, then however, this is relatively little effect on fish eating. तो अभी तक हम लोगों ने जितना भी करण किया है everything is a rich fishing ground कितना बड़ा तो उसको साफ करें रैंडम मैं नहीं दिख रहा हूँ नहीं दिख रहा है अभी थोड़े दिन में पूछेगा किधर है आप आवाज आ रहा है पर तो दिख रहे हैं Okay, so now please run through all the three current. How you will make your own notes, I will teach you once, then you make it on your own. Now pick up your notebook and write the very funny name called Oyashio. I will teach you how to write the points. Then Kuroshio and Akapa apne own mein likhna along with North Atlantic I will show you in my next lecture. That is the next day, not today. Got it? I write on first Oyashio. Exact ऐसी आप बाकी का भी बना सकते हैं, correct? Which is this notebook. The point number 1. It is a cold. Right? It is a cold subarctic ocean current. Cold subarctic ocean current. Second, cold subarctic ocean current. Second, it flows southward. Second point. It भी नहीं लिखने का. Flows southward. लिखा तो चले. Don't कर. It flows southward and circulates anti-clockwise in North Pacific Ocean. Only direction और कहाँ क्या turn मारता है, बस इतना ही. North Pacific Ocean. Next. It flows southward, circulates anti-clockwise in North Pacific Ocean. Second, next, collides with Kuroshio current, collides with Kuroshio current, eastern shore of Japan. Other side, the waters of this current, originates in Arctic Ocean. Arctic. The waters of this current originates in Arctic Ocean. Next, the current, it has an important impact on Russian climate. तो किसी ने मुझे दो नाम बोला है, वो ब्रैकेट में लिखना है. It is Kamachka and Chukotka. ये शायद लालेगर को लिखा होगा. हाँ, important impact on Russian climate. Careful with the spelling and write inside the bracket. Careful with the spelling. Kamachka and Chukotka. Next. Next point. The waters of this current, the richest fishing ground in the world. उधर बाजू में लिखो question mark, give reason. GR लिखना, GR. What is GR? How many points you have to write? GR के नीचे first point लिखो. Okay. High nutrient content. High nutrient. GR लिखा ना, उसके नीचे 0.1. High nutrient content. Careful with the spelling. Nutrient content. Second, the cold water and cold water with very high tides. Third point, greater availability hyphen throughout the year. Iska nutrients ka. Let's go to the greater availability of nutrients. Next. It freezes the place of Vladivostok. Careful with the spelling, Vladivostok. V-L-A-D-I. Vladivostok. Stock. S-T-O-K. No effect. This freezing, no effect on fish. Underline no effect on the fish. GR done. Because large tides does not allow freezing so easily. Large tides does not allow freezing so easily. Now check, that's the entire OR. Are you able to write other currents on your own? Try to make the notes on your own like this. Which current is difficult for you? Which are the dono? Tell me the ending. And then over a shield. Now let us go to a very short paragraph which I'm not going to explain in detail, but you have to just mark. Effect of ocean current. How do you explain the heading effect? बहुत सारा बच्चा बोलते सर why I study this subject, है ना? Even she knows the line. This is like, which is your favorite? Math. Uddhar says smiley, smiley. Which is your least favorite?
Maths.
So which is your most favorite?
History.
So, bio, history. And you are there. And
Bio, history.
you put the nine combination. Biology and history.
History.
Oh, very good. So the topic is going on. So you learned that interesting going on. But you take care. And the part of the history. And she said the history. So why I'm saying they go? Sorry, just it throws out of topic. Whether it is the subject or whether it is the syllabus, I always feel it is a teacher. You accept? Both of Purana Kaharat. Let us put the new. Sorry, Gayatri. It is neither the teacher nor the syllabus. But then, how much part of the syllabus is cut? That is most interesting. Anna? Nahin? And then tell me what is the subject, why it is so interesting.
Biology and history.
Hmm.
I find it more interesting to know
Because you
about
connect yourself into the history.
not history, about biology.
Okay. History?
I feel good to know about the biology.
Very good. And maths, na?
Commerce,
Commerce. Why?
business, politics.
So are you? Politics भी करता है या खेलता है? दोनों किसके बीच में? मम्मी और पापा के बीच में? तो बैठ के मजे उठाता हाँ? हाँ क्या क्या हाँ क्या करते हैं? But क्या? What is doing in politics?
No.
Which party? No comments. There one answer. I was explaining the word effect. Now when I use the word effect, every ocean current influences the climate. Do you accept? अभी जैसे Labrador coal current है, इंडिया में तो नहीं flow होता है. It is in that Torrance, not from Canada and part of America. Wherever it flows, it can influence the temperature. If it is Oasia, so it is impact mainly on which part of the world? Russia. What does it make? That fish seedling to grow. What does it make? The richest which ground? Fishing ground. So now we are studying all the ocean currents, their impact not separately but collectively. Okay. So keep marking, keep putting the points. Temperature. Warm or cold ocean currents underline. Point number 1. Exert a significant climatic influence. That is point number 1. 2. It tends to raise the temperature wherever they flow. For Labrador, frozen 9 months on account of cold Arctic current. Otherwise, a hot underline. Peru is greatly cooled by the Peru current. Where is this place called Peru? South America? Tonight? Let's say otherwise, nature. That is to warm Proshio keeps underlined. Ports of Alaska coast ice free. Ice free रहने से Alaska का क्या benefit होगा? Coast. ऊपर लिखो helps sea transport. Alaska के ऊपर helps the sea transport or water transport, not sea. I'm sorry. Helps the water transport. Next. Okay. Then. Rainfall, underline. Ocean current becomes warm and it becomes I can't rainfall के आगे मैं जो बोलता हूँ वो लिखिए. It helps in creation, helps in the creation and distribution of clouds, creation and distribution of cloud bearing monsoon winds. Actually rain bearing cloud. Okay. monsoon winds. Second point. You write fog. Make it clear with this one from English, dense fog hyphen result of warm and cold ocean currents. Dense fog hyphen result of warm and cold ocean currents. Next. Japanese coast. Bracket you write dense fog meets with warm current, warm kuroshio and cold oyashio. Right? नोटबुक में लिखने बोला and the odd man out. You are the mother's mark. ये तो टेक्स्ट बुक में अगर ये सब मिला तो बेंच में लिख के जाएंगे. मैंने बोला नोट्स कैसे सर हम फोटो कॉपी ले लिया आप पूछ लो उसको. फिर मालूम पड़ा वो कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहा है इधर आंसर शीट में कॉपी पेस्ट ले लो लेके जाओ. Online you need to submit now earlier during the COVID time. So you are in your 7th and 8th. How was your then 7th and 8th studies? उसको क्या दिख रहा है ऑनलाइन कुछ पता था क्या? Therefore, many people did not understand what is going on. Many people don't want to understand. Neither the teacher nor the student were having any lecture हो गया क्या हुआ मुझे क्या? But अभी physical में lecture हो गया बहुत self guidance. फ्लावर कैसा था बहुत नींद भी आया. बच्चे ने क्या रीजन दिया? बायोलॉजिकल रीजन दिया. Let's move to the next. Violent storms follow the line of beating. Underlying cold and warm currents. Hurricanes are created. Remember, someone was speaking hurricanes, hurricanes. The hope क्या sir, you don't know hurricane. बोला मैं पिछले 15 साल से टीच कर रहा हूँ. ओए, how do you don't know hurricane? बोला spell करा HURRICANES. That is hurricane. Hurricane. तब से ये word भी बोला है ना? बोला sir, it is pronounced as hurricane. No, hurricane. तो कहाँ के बोल से आया है ना? So now it is hurricane. And normally these hurricanes are generally in US. Any idea what is this hurricanes are? They are created over the ocean surface due to the ocean currents. When they are created over the land surface, they become very dangerous. And to be very frank, America is the birthplace of many. What? Hurricanes only. In fact, frequently they get. Because of the mixture of which current? Warm and cold ocean currents. Let's understand Gulf Stream effect of marine organism. I want you will not be saying. Underline innumerable microscopic organisms. Circle the word planktons. The fish feed on planktons. Underline only fish feed. Move organic material. Next. Underline more planktons, higher fish. Concentration be needed. More plankton, underline higher fish. Second, what is commerce? What is commerce?
Yes.
That is called trade and business. Everyone, trade and business. On account of warm currents, underline harbors kept in open winter, facilitating trade. What is facilitating? Cut karo usko udhar likho helping. Generally, European countries mein, when there is very cold places, the ocean water also tries to freeze. Not exactly. What will happen? The big ship cannot enter. Enter where? The docks. Ocean mein to ye rehta hai na. वो फिर उठ के अभी suddenly चला गया ocean. बहुत ठंडा है चलो उठ के रोड में आता था ऐसा. गर्म हो गया चलो मैं इधर जाऊंगी. Then normally docks रहता है ना. What are docks? We have a dock in our area. JNPT सुना है? JNPT. वो किधर है? You I could read your lips. You, me.
Udan.
It is Udan. What is full form of Jain Pit anybody? Just smart answer is me. Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust. India का पहला satellite port है. Satellite मतलब they get all kinds of trade. Actually, we have a main port in BT, which is called as BPT. What is BPT full form? MBT, BPT. Well, of course. Bombay Port Trust. अभी इतना over flooded हो गया, so we have a new. Even this is also big, but they say it is very beautifully organized. I haven't gone into change this. For example, underline UK Norway normally freeze due to warm ocean currents, unfrozen. Underline the word unfrozen. Yes, next 2 minutes I leave it. Okay. Then Montreal, underline St. Lawrence River, open for the year. Vladivostok, circle snowbound. Sailing vessels are aided or hindered by the direction. What is hindered? Normally ये जो sea का जो captain रहता है ना ship का, अगर उनको मालूम पड़ता है कि ocean current का movement उस तरफ है, they will try to get their direction through that. So what they are going to sail? The engine diesel. Ocean थोड़ा तो use होगा, but ocean current का movement के साथ वो बड़ा ship भी सही हो जाएगा. But if you are trying to move in the opposite of the ocean current, what will happen?
It will require
more steam or more diesel because it is going on an opposite direction. Danger to ships, underline circle iceberg. Due to fog, underline not able to locate. ये foggy था जब Titanic met with an accident. Underline modern times radar help to locate icebergs even in the darkness. That's it. So just read the question answers and tell me, and directly go down to page number 129. So any of the question you feel that you won't be able to tackle any of the question, ideological cycle, periodicity, factors originating, only 1 to 5. So write today only the date. What is the date? 13. Come on, everyone, write date. And tell me by next Thursday, everyone must complete. Write down date. Or that, where is your volume? Last time also you didn't break it, I think. You have lost your volume and every time you are pulling me. Okay, na? How I did call you? Kidhar gaya tumhara
volume. I will try to finish.
Right. No problem. If without volume next time, the next thing I will know. Thank you. I'll see you after 5 minutes break.
Fine.
Break है या नहीं?